Right now, there's this chaos with like literally hundreds of people are being released by Border Patrol in San Diego, just in the middle of nowhere.
The majority of the people would get released or get out of the bus, and the first question they would ask is, what state am I in?
They don't speak the language. They don't know where they are. When they are being released, they are disoriented.
We are talking about almost getting to thousands of people being dumped. And how are they being supported?
The planning started a few weeks before we went to San Diego, with the students, with the host organization, and getting plans about what we were going to do in San Diego.
And we're really just at a bus station, waiting for people to be released into a bus station that, doesn't even get to the airport.
At that point, the person even doesn't have a phone to call. At that point, the person doesn't have internet to communicate to anybody.
So a lot of the work that our students had to do is receive people, talk about their rights, how they could be transported to other places where they could either catch a plane or a train or a bus to their next destination.
One day it was 10 p.m. We really wanted to make sure that if we were there, for a week, we could sacrifice a few hours of sleep to make sure that someone wasn't left stranded in the middle of a bus station. Every person that was released had a different story, a different need.
Some people, we needed to help them reunite with their families when they were separated.
Some of them had been detained for 20 days with their families not knowing what state they were being detained in.
Some also travel on the sea with a small boat that the boat can easily capsize.
So it's really more of a crisis control. It's really literally chaos and crisis.
The more you feel touching to help, you feel more attached to them, you feel more to go extra mile to ensure that they get where they get to.
Met two siblings that are from the same town as my dad in Colombia, and they are my same age, worked throughout every country so they could, pay for their stay in those countries and be able to come to the U.S. I admire them so much. I admire their sibling relationship so much. I immediately called my brother sobbing that night.
We are also lawyers trying to learn more, so we appreciate what they go through. So it was a learning process for us as well.
There's a client on the other end. It's not just theories that we're learning in class. It's not just a debate.
They can take that experience in their own lawyering in the future to become more compassionate attorneys.